What's up guys, today I will be showing you how to paint this coat in the easiest way possible so that you can start making better illustrations. So without further interruptions, let's get into it. I like to start by adding a section of where the shadows are going to be. And then, with a multiply brush, I brush over the base layer. I also make sure that I keep the light source in mind as I do it, because it makes the cloth more believable depending on the concept of folds. I also think mostly on the silhouette, because folds are mostly depicted as shadows visually. And after that, I play around with the edges, mixing hard edges with soft edges. This is called edge control, and it makes your drawing more three-dimensional and cloth more realistic and convincing. After the endless cycle of tweaking the edges, I add some darker shadows whose purpose is to push the depth and 3D feel of the overall piece, and it really sells the impression that it is a coat and not some block of stone.
For the next step, using an airbrush, I brush purple on the edges of shadows, and for the darker shadow I color it to better my preferences. Then I add a black gradient and multiply from bottom to top, and then a slight airbrush of a bright color and reduce the opacity, add highlights. Optionally, I added a texture, because why not? Okay, let's finalize this for the thumbnail of the video and done. If you want to check out my art, visit my IG, name is Pain11, drop a follow and also subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, fix your line art by watching this next video. See you next time on my next video.